This unique masala brinjal curry is so delicious that it will make you crave for it every day. Let's make it. Take 2 onions for each serving and half a chili. Here I'm making this recipe for 2 people. Chop and add it to a blender to make a smooth paste. Make sure the paste is smooth and lump free. Now take 6 peeled garlic, a piece of ginger, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds and blend it into a smooth paste like this. Now take equal quantity of onion paste, ginger garlic, poppy seeds paste and add a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of salt and red chili powder. Mix it well. Take 8 to 10 small sized brinjals, wash and cut it as shown in the video. Make sure you cut one side smaller than the other. Always check for tiny worms inside the brinjal. If you find any, you can just remove it. Once done with the cutting, stuff it with masala paste that we have prepared earlier, as shown in the video. Now heat a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and stir fry the brinjal carefully until the color changes to brown. Set the flame between medium to high and keep stirring. Once the color changes to brown as shown in the video, turn off the flame and transfer the brinjal into an empty plate. Now in the same pan add 3 tablespoons of oil and the remaining onion paste that we have prepared earlier. Keep stirring the paste until it slightly changes the color to yellow.
Make sure the flame is set between medium to low.
Once it has changed the color to yellow, add the remaining ginger, garlic and poppy seeds paste that we have prepared earlier. Keep stirring until the color changes to slightly dark. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 teaspoons of salt. Mix well and add 1 cup of water. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes and add 2.5 cups of water. Mix well and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 cup of water and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Now take the brinjal that we have set aside earlier and add it into the gravy carefully. Close the pan with a lid and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. After cooking for 10 to 15 minutes, remove the lid and give it a stir. Make sure the flame is set to low and be gentle while stirring. Close the pan with a lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and let the oil separate from the gravy. Once the oil gets separated, turn off the flame and serve it hot. This will be the most delicious recipe that your kids will ask for one more plate. Serve it hot with rice or roti. It will be the best combo you have tasted ever. Restaurant style brinjal curry for every joyful occasion. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow for more such delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Let me know what do you call brinjal in your language.